I'm very excited to welcome the team from Mackenzie Investments and your partners as we celebrate the launch of a new actively managed sustainable bond ETF, MGSB, listed on NEO Exchange this morning. We are very grateful for your support this morning as you launch this new fund, well-timed with what the market is asking for, as always. And a focus on ESG and responsible investment products continues to expand. We're proud to be one of your partners with this listing on NEO. A few important updates as we continue to deliver on our vision. We're now home to 100 plus fund tickers from half of Canada's ETF managers. This is your 7th Mackenzie ETF on the NEO Exchange. We have 36 public companies now attached to the innovation economy, also that call NEO their home. Altogether, over 165 tickers now listed on our exchange.
We are excited to be here with the launch of this new ETF. We'll be at 42 ETFs here listed in Canada and just approaching $12 billion in AUM in about 5.5 years of our ETF platform being online. So very exciting time for us. We're also very excited that this is our 7th listing here on the NEO Exchange. The launch of this ETF on the NEO Exchange reflects our continued commitment to encouraging a healthy and competitive capital markets environment. We certainly look forward to bringing more ETFs to the NEO Exchange in the future as well. The launch of this ETF, the Mackenzie Global Sustainable Bond ETF, is also a reflection of our continued commitment to ESG and in the solutions we offer to our investors, advisors, and institutional clients. And we look forward to continuing to grow our ETF shelf here in Canada. Excited to be bringing this to market, ticker MGSB, at a management fee of 50 basis points. This ETF seeks to provide investors with exposure to all sorts of ESG fixed income securities and does not just stop at green bonds. It is a far more comprehensive approach that our fixed income team uses in terms of security selection, and this mandate that really gives investors the best shot at investing in companies that are doing the right thing for our environment, for our people, and from a governance perspective for the companies that we choose to invest in. There's not a lot of product on offer in ESG fixed income in particular in the ETF space still, and choice is a challenge, as is quality for investors here in the Canadian market. And so we're excited to be bringing not just an ESG solution, but a global solution that helps investors continue to diversify their fixed income exposures, moving away from the home bias that we've typically seen in portfolios here in Canada. So as mentioned, this is our 42nd ETF here in the Canadian market. Our fixed income shelf is a very important aspect of our entire portfolio. Nearly 50% of our assets are within our fixed income mandates at Mackenzie. And so again, a continued commitment, reflecting a continued commitment here, not just to the ETF market, but to offering investors more choice, more solutions, and ultimately more ESG options as well here in the Canadian market. You really don't have to go abroad. You don't have to go to the US to find what you need. Increasingly, we have that on offer here in the Canadian market. So as we get to $12 billion, hopefully $13 billion soon, we're excited to be continuing to grow the business and just bring more choice to investors here in Canada. So thank you again, Eric and team, for the opportunity.
Indeed, thinking Canadian and especially in the fixed income space attached to ESG, I think this one's going to be an exciting one for you going forward. We're grateful to have it listed with us here at NEO.